Homogenilu, Heranta Poteshinga from Nungshipi Mar Piral. Again, I have come up with a new video on learning Vishnu Priya Manipuri. I hope you all will like today's video as usual, so be with me till the end. Today I'm going to share some important sentences which are very commonly used, such as, it's getting dark outside. It's getting oyahed. Dark means other. It's getting dark. Other oya ahed. Outside means bare. So it will be, it's getting dark outside. Bare adar oya ahed. It's clear. I repeat. Bare adar oya ahed. The next sentence is, the train is running late today. The train means trainhan is running. Choler. The train is running. Trainhan choler. Trainhan choliase. Continuous tense. Choler means choliase. The train is running late. Late means dil kore. Late today. Today means aji. So it will be, the train is running late today. Aji trainhan dil kore choler. Choler means choliase. Continuous tense. Okay. Aji trainhan dil kore choler. I repeat. Aji trainhan dil kore choler. The next sentence is, I feel like going for a walk. I feel morta ahese. I feel like going. Morta jana ahese. I feel like going for a walk. A walk. Walk means atani. A walk. Atahan. Okay. For a walk. Atahan denat. Okay. So it will be, I feel like going for a walk. Morta atahan denat jana hese. I repeat. Morta atahan denat jana ahese. The next one is, I feel like having some tea. I feel morta ahese. You know that I feel means morta ahese. I feel like having morta pina ahese. Some tea. Tea means chaha. Some tea means chaha futi. So it will be, I feel like having some tea. Morta chaha futi pina ahese. Okay, one thing. If we put some rice instead of some tea, what it will be in Vishnu Priya Manipuri? I feel like having some tea means morta chaha futi pina ahese. Here, having means pina ahese. Okay. When we say, I feel like having some rice, I feel like having morta khana ahese. Some rice. Bad guli. Bad guli khana ahese. Morta bad guli khana ahese. Here, having means khana ahese, not pina ahese. It's clear? I feel like having some tea. Morta chaha futi pina ahese. And I feel like having some rice means morta bad guli. Some rice means bad guli khana ahese. Here, having means khana. Okay, khana ahese, not pina ahese. It's clear? Okay. The next sentence is, I feel like listening to music. Okay. I feel like listening means morta hunani ahese. Morta hunani ahese. Listening means hunani. So it will be morta hunani ahese. I feel like listening morta hunani ahese. To music. Music means in Vishnupriya Manipuri you can say Eladak. Okay. So it will be I feel like listening to music. Morta Eladak Hunani Ahese. The next sentence is my hands are shaking from cold. My hands more athani. My hands are shaking. Shaking means nikkorani. Okay, nikkorani. My hands are shaking. More athani nikkore. More athani nikkore ase. From cold. From cold means in or jar. We can say jarhane or inghane. Okay? Jarhane or inghane. Both are correct. My hands are shaking from cold. Inghane morathani nikkorer. Or jarhane morathani nikkorer. Both are correct. Okay? I repeat, inghane morathani nikkorer or jarhane morathani nikkorer. The next sentence is I am feeling a bit sleepy now. I am feeling morta ahese. Morta ahese. A bit sleepy. Sleepy means gum. A bit. A means ahan. A bit sleepy means gumsho ahan or gum ahan. A bit sleepy now. Now means ebaka. So it will be I am feeling a bit sleepy now. Ebaka morta gumgumahan ahese or ebaka morta gumshoahan ahese. I repeat, ebaka morta gumgumahan ahese or ebaka morta gumshoahan ahese. A bit sleepy means gumshoahan or gumgumahan. Both are correct. The next sentence is I am feeling slightly dizzy. Slightly means khani. I am feeling dizzy. Dizzy means murgo bulani. I am feeling dizzy. Morta murgo bulase. Morta murgo bulase. Slightly means khani. So it will be I am feeling slightly dizzy. Morta khani murgo bulase. I repeat, morta khani murgo bulase. The next sentence is his clothes got completely soaked in rain. His clothes, his means tar, clothes means puti phali, got completely soaked. Soaked means, got soaked means chichupago ose. Completely means ekkebare. In rain, boron hanat. In rain means boron hanat. So it will be his clothes got completely soaked in rain. Boron hanat tar phuti phali ekkebare chichupagose. Completely means ekkebare. Okay? Completely means ekkebare. So I repeat, boron hanat tar phuti phali ekkebare chichupagose. The next sentence is, and this is the last one, the sun is slowly setting now. The sun means velihan. Slowly means lai. Slowly means lai. Setting means homajarga. Now means ebaka. So it will be the sun is slowly setting now. Belihan ebaka lai homajarga. I repeat, belihan ebaka lai homajarga. So these are the sentences I have shared today. I hope you are learning Vishnupriya Manipuri language properly. Is not it? Let me conclude today. Meet you again. Take care. Dhanavad. Namaskar.